Hello there! Today I came a little bit more informal to share with you this very exciting project that we have at Livingstone Estates. Wanna know more? Join me! Following meticulous planning and strategic foresight, we reconfigured a conventional 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom apartment into a contemporary 4-bedroom residence. This transformation features top-quality bestwork furniture, 4-en-suite bathrooms, an additional guest toilet, and an expansive open-concept kitchen and a living area. Remember where we started? Look at how far we've come. Proud to say our vision is slowly coming to life. Cannot wait to see the final result. So here it is. I'm thrilled to show you the final result of many months of hard work. Welcome to Torre Bermeja 2201. Here at Livingstone, we take pride in all our projects. However, this particular house will hold a special place in our hearts. Taking all our clients' feedback and partnering with the best construction companies and decorators, we had the vision of refurnishing this property. Every detail, every light switch, down to the bespoke furniture has been carefully chosen to fit our clients' most exclusive needs. And as you can see, we definitely exceeded our expectation. And now we confidently say that this apartment marked our debut into home refurbishment and renovation. So once again, thank you all for trusting and allowing our company to grow and venture into new areas. Stay tuned for the whole house tour coming up soon.